Welcome to Best RV channel. Again, Nala Mori from Best RV in Tola, California. Today we're presenting you the most perfect toy hauler fifth wheel. What is behind me is a brand new 2025 Voltage 3850. It's a 14-foot garage, which is everybody come here asking for that 14-foot garage. As you guys, all the four-seaters, they're right now beyond 13 feet, like they're 13.2, 13.5. So this is a perfect unit. It has a 14-foot garage opening space for your four-seaters, as well two bathrooms, three ACs, 6-point auto leveling, solar panel, 3-season doors, patio system, 3 slide out. Let me show you all the features of the brand new 2025 Voltage V-Cross 3850 with the 14-foot garage. As you see in the front, it has the nice curve in the chill-coated cap. I love those LED strips in the front, one on this side. You have also LED lights with the mirrors, so you can see when you back up for chart for signature 9. And it's more aerodynamic with those 3 LED in the top, 3 LED utility steps. So it's make it really nice. In the top of that, you have the courtesy flex in the front to give it with the rubber here, you could see, to give you smoother ride when you pull that fifth wheel. In the front of the unit, we have the generators, which is California certified CARB. It's 5,500 watt generators where you could run everything on the unit with no question asked. And again, this is certified for state of California for the emission in the car. There's a location for the 2 batteries in the front. Gel coated cab, as you see, is all this gel coated. So it's all thicker and shiny, glossy. We have 2 7-gallon propane tank, one on each side. Beautiful pass-through storage with the magnets. You could see here there's a solar chargers. You could turn the solar on and control the solar. It has a beautiful LED light in the basement storage. You can see over there the switch of the auto leveling pass-through. This is a good indication to you. It's aluminum frame constructions, not a wood construction. Coming over here, you have the 4-step to get in the unit. Now, this unit, it has Azdel fiberglass. It is a big deal when you have Azdel fiberglass. That's the way you don't have no delamination, no separations between the fiberglass and the styrofoam. So fiberglass, Azdel barrier layer, the glue, and then you have the foam. So it make it much easier. So you don't have coming down on the road the delamination. Now, the beauty about the Voltage, they'll give you slide topics, give you slide on this unit, that's not rubber. That protect the unit from the leaves, the water, the dirt, anything you get. You don't have to climb on the ladder, go on the roof with a brush and brush your slide before you close it, because it has this stuff. They come with a 3-year structure warranty. That's a big deal. And 1 year tip to tip and 12 on the roof. Folks, we're inside the garage and the patio system of the brand new 2025 Voltage 3850. As you see, this is a beautiful toy hauler. It's a garage model, has a 14-foot, so it's from here all the way to the wall, 14-foot, which is perfect for 4-seaters. Now, there's the features I'm going to show you on this toy haulers. The other they don't have, plus the value what you're getting for $1,700. Number one, it has the zero gravity door. That's mean with one handle I could close this door and open. Full patio system, as you see. You have the 3-season doors. A lot of them you have to pay $100,000 per house to get this door. Now this unit has a 3-season door to steam, and I can go in this door and I can have screen in it to prevent all the bugs coming in while I'm camping. Also, it has the glass. I can raise it up and bring it down, so I can have full privacy inside, as well as the PV for of the pan fish hair coming in, as what you see here. All falling in my toes. All I do, I have to open it inside and open, and then out. Then you could see it. You can open both sides. It's easy to get in, easy out. Another feature this unit has, it has ducktail storage. So all this dovetail is a storage box I could store, and again, I hold weight. And I'm out of town. I'm standing here, no issue. The whole, like blocks, oil containers for your toys, dirty stuff, tools, whatever you want to put here, dirty stuff for your four-seaters. You could store it right here in the floor, and it's very easy. Voila, and then you could drive on top of. In the top of here, we have a nice bed. And then this one, if the cameraman hold this one with me, let's take it outside. Let's go outside. I want to show then. And perfect. I could put this table outside, couple lounge chairs, and enjoy nice meal with my kids outside, or me and the wife sitting here drinking, eating, watching the kids playing with their toys. Also, this one turned to a bed. So if I swing this one, and I swing that. So now I have a full bed. You can see it's easy to people, no question asked. One person here, another person here, it's no problem. As well, I have an upper bed over me to sleep two people. So I sleep two at the bottom, two at the bottom, at the top, and one in the left. So I can sleep easy, 5 people in this garage. And let me show you. How are you gonna see now? Wait a minute. How are you gonna see 5 people in this garage? And let me show you. Two here, garage. Then for this back, I could walk to the other side. And I'm gonna bring this strap down. Then I bring this strap. And if the cameraman come this way, I have a big bed here, sleep 2 people. And the unit come with the ladder. As you see, the ladder's right here. This, you take this ladder, put it right here. Okay, have a good big grip. Voila. So easy, I could sleep 2 people here. So 2 in the top, 2 at the bottom. So, and there are 4 adults. And then look how big it is. No problem. I could sleep here, no problem. So this is another plus you have. Now you're going to ask me now, where are you going to sleep number 5? Guess what? I'm going to sleep number 5 here. And you're going to ask me, how he's going to go on the top? This unit's built in with a ladder. So I just fold it to the side. Now I have a ladder. I don't have to worry. And voila. And easy, I could sleep 1 person, and then they have a storage here. So, and it has a window for circulations. And there's light switch, 110, 5. And then if you don't want to use this ladder, which is no problem, I could fold it to the side like that and strap it. Also, this designed to have another TV here. So I could put 4 TV here. Sorry, TV right here. I could put a TV in the garage, so it could be all those 4 people. They could watch the TV on the bracket. I could put washer, dryer, stackable if I want. Right there. I will pull into washer and dryer. I could put a camera in the back so I could see my toys. Some people, they have expensive toys in their garage, and they would like to see them while they're driving. If there's any movements and this, they could have free camera here, and it's already prepped. And then you have the vents for wind circulation. I could open one here, one there for window circulation. I have the beauty about this unit, a lot of people they don't realize, it is a true 14-foot garage. So it's a 14-foot from here all the way to the back. Some of them, they say 14, but they eat this corner where they put the bathroom in the garage. In the Voltage 38, they put the bathroom outside the garage. So it's not, the bathroom is not eating the floor of the garage. That's a big deal. And then I have a full bathroom here, magnets, no issue with knees, nice for sink, nice medicine cabinet. and they have their own. So the kids, when they sleep in this, I call it man cave or kids cave. I could see 5 kids easy here. I mean, up to 6 is depending on their size. If they're petite, they could fit more. They have their heat, and they have their air conditions. They have their own TV here. They have their own washer and dryer if they want, and they have their own bath. So I could take all this area for the kids, or I could make it like a kids' room, and it's a complete sleeping, eating, bathroom, air conditioning, heating, TV, you name it. And don't forget, this voltage come with the 3 ACs. So one AC for the garage, as you see here, one AC in the living room, and one AC in the bedroom. Also for the 2025, I really like what voltage they did this touch. It's a bench, working bench. You could put your oil, your spraying degreasers, some tools. You work on some tools for your for sealers. It's a working bench, working table. This is new for 2025. I really like voltage what they did, and it's worth every penny. So one of the nice feature they have, the foldable magnet foldable side ladder, the working bench, the beds at the top, beds at the bottom. And this bed is so easy. I mean, people, they say, now, how you do this bed so quick? Very simple. Let me bring this ladder down. I put the ladder here. Okay. I put the strap on it. And then all I do just push this up, and then push this up. Voila. And if I want to get my table inside, very simple. Have the cameraman come help me. And I carry the table. I put it between. I close my door. Close my door. Okay. You know when I travel, I put my latch. Voila. Close my garage. It's very easy to use, very to open, it's very operated. And I like about this garage, they have 12 tie downs, 3 here, 6 here, 9, and 3. Almost 12 tie down. So this is on the garage features and benefits. I'm going to take you inside. Nice glass. So it's kind of like a sound barriers. So now we're going to go inside the living room of the Voltage 30. Okay. So we're inside this toy hauler. Typical. Has 2 slide out across each other. Has all recliners. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 recliners. They all recline. They are on light, electric. So you have to has the electric to recline them. And some of them they're manual recline. I know that this one. Okay, so here's proof for you. It's recline. Voila. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have lights underneath run on 12 volts. USB plugs. All of that you can run it when you plugged in 110. Facing this recliners, let me close this door so you can see how full privacy. So quiet. Smart TV. Nice fireplace. Stereo with the speakers inside, speakers outside. All contemporary cabinets, self-closing, by the way. See self-closing. Nice pantry with adjustable shelf. You can adjust the shelf if you want. Adjustable shelf. Pantry here. Nice aisle. And this is solid service. Place for towels. I like this touch. Place for trash can. Show them that. Place for the back of the trash can. More tinsel drawers. Nice microwave. Burner ring. Oven. Cooking pans, I call it, or cookie trays. Storage. More storage. Nice refrigerator. 12-volt Furrion. 2 doors. Freezer. Fridge. Outside storage, more storage. Now, when it's come to the kitchen, I have all this for silverware, pantries. Oh, pantries right there. So you have plenty storage. But I really like what they did here. A lady, they're gonna say, look, this is a nice sink. You have waterfall, soap dispenser, cup rinse, sprayer, cutting board. But I need more space, kind of space. Well, guess what, man? Look what I'm gonna do. I bring this one to the side. Isn't it slick? So I have an L-shaped kitchen now. I'm standing here having prepping my pizza, my pasta, spaghetti. I cut my fruit, vegetables, nice prepping area. And you're gonna say, no, you come on, you stuck in the corner. No. All I do is just say, excuse me, kids, and I could walk. So this gives you the advantage by doing that. It gives you more counter space. By the way, there's a storage here. I wish if the cameraman can show you. Look, there's a storage accessible. More storage here. Place for trash can. I like this concrete sink. You put your some spices, brush scrap, you name it. And you're not like those units where you're stuck in the kitchen. Because if I'm stuck, all I do is just slide it in. Voila. Done. And I have full walk-in kitchen counter and I could walk around it. That's really slick on this unit. More storage here. They don't waste any space. Every corner, every place where they could put a cabinet, they give it to you. Now, walk into the bedroom. It's a very fancy bedroom. Look how big this bed, king size bed. And you have this LED light, one on the other side, reading light, USB plug here for breathing machine. You have a nice bench here. You could do your tie your shoes. More closets. LED in the closets, very open. Again, you have another washer dryer hookup. And the reason why they do that, in case if somebody say, look, I cannot put washer dryer in my garage like some other brand. I'm stuck, but I need a washer dryer. Well, okay, I could put it here. If you have a room, I'll put it in your garage. You don't want to put it in your garage, I'll put it in your closet. You telling me I do. Another beautiful, I love this. I should buy more of this unit. It's gonna so good. 3 ACs, AC in the bedroom, living room. You could easily walk in the bathroom. I like this angle sink and the medicine cabinet, porcelain toilet, no issue for my knees. Full privacy. If you think, oh, people are gonna see me when I go to the bathroom, guess what? They can't. Oh, I don't want the people in my bedroom to watch me. Oh, okay, no problem. No one can. And then nice shower, big 60-inch with a big shower head, no issue, elbow, and a big seating area. You see, you guys, you need to come and look at this voltage. It is the best garage toy haulers, and we have it on a price. Same unit somewhere else, they want 100. Why you want to pay 100 somewhere else where you could get this unit for $79.9 from Best RV in Torla, California, and no hidden fees, just tax and license. That's it. Come in and let's put your dream on the road.